Hello dear students, I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. We already completed chapter 8 and we get our examination pattern. Our examination will be going to online as a MCQs base. हमारा जो एग्ज़ाम है ऑनलाइन होंगे और MCQs में होंगे. MCQs means all of you know already you attempt it is in a your science paper, maybe not in a English paper, but it's a good for you. For this, how you have to prepare? You have to read whole chapter for this, not only question answers. आपको सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स रीडिंग नहीं करनी है, आपको क्या करनी है, पूरा चैप्टर रीड करनी है. फॉर व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू रीड दिस होल चैप्टर? बिकॉज इन बिटवीन क्वेश्चंस वी आर गोइंग टू आस्क फ्रॉम द चैप्टर. आप चैप्टर पढ़ोगे तो ही आपको चैप्टर के बीच में के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स याद आएंगे ना. सो आई सजेस्ट you have to be read whole chapter from starting to end. Okay children, come to now our revision. Today we are revising past tense and present tense. Okay, open page number 66 in your textbook first. Pilots fly different kinds of airplanes. Neil flew the fastest airplanes in the world. Okay, first one is a simple present tense and second one is a simple past tense. Okay, so in the examples above sentences, first one is the simple present tense and second one is the simple past tense. We use simple present tense to talk about something that is happening now. Sarah lives in Mumbai. Means Sarah अभी कहाँ रह रही है? Vijayashree ma'am is teaching English now. Vijayashree ma'am is teaching 3rd standard English. It's a present tense. Vijayashree ma'am teaches 3rd standard English. Okay, it's a present tense. Like this, Sarah lives in Mumbai. Sarah कहाँ रहती है? मुंबई में रह रही है. Things that are always true. जो भी हम सही होता है, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ होता है, वो जो है वो हमेशा सही होता है. अभी वेट. ओके, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ्स आर ऑलवेज इन अ प्रेजेंट टेंस. समथिंग दैट हैपन्स, थिंग्स दैट आर ऑलवेज ट्रू. जो सही होता है. रामायण एंड महाभारत आर अवर. Okay, this type of sentences are called a universal truth. Then something that happens again and again. What we are going to doing regularly, we go to school at 7 a.m. It's a regular and again and going activity, so it is in always in a present tense. Okay, I hope simple present tense, it always in a present now way. जो अभी जो चल रहा है उसके बारे में होता है. We use the simple past tense to talk about an action that is finished. I watched an interesting film last week. Okay, in present tense now what is going on that we are going to tell you, but in past tense that is what already happened last week. I watched interesting film when last week. Okay, जो हो गया है already. Then it was very warm yesterday. Yesterday means कल की बात. हाँ, कल की बात. क्या था कल? बहुत ही warm means बहुत ही गर्मी लग रही थी. Okay. We have learned that we add d or ed to verb form the past tense. Many verbs also change their forms when they are used in the past tense. Children, when we are going to do verb as a past tense verb, that time we are going to add their d or a ed. Okay, this is look, looked. Huh? This type of question, this type of verbs we are making adding a ed. But sometimes some verbs are changed as a without ed or a d. Run, ran, buy, bought, go, went, think, thought. This type of also called a past tense verb. Now come to the your textbook exercise 67. Complete these sentences with the correct form of the words in a bracket. Children, in my examination also my English subject, I asked you grammar section for a 15 marks. There will be a question. You have to be choose the correct options for that. Here I am going to give you an example here. Choose the correct verb. When we dashed to the theater, it was filled. It was full. Was is there, so you have to be choose as a. I am going to give you a option 4 options. Arrived, arriving, arrival, arose. But correct option is arrived. You have to tick as a arrived. Okay. My father dash coffee before breakfast every day. Every day, continuously this action is going happening again and again. So always it is as a same form adding with a simple present tense. Drink. Yesterday I dashed 2 hours cleaning my room. Spend, past tense is spent. So we are going to add here. Spent. We dash to the market with mother every Sunday. Every Sunday is here, so every Sunday means again and again this action is happening. So it will be a same simple present tense. Sagar dashed the pigeons on the terrace yesterday evening. This action happened already yesterday only. So feed ka past tense fed. Okay. Now come to the your revision sheet. Open your revision sheet. Chapter number 8, tenses, simple present tense and simple past tense. We use the simple present tense to talk about something that is happening now, things that are always true, something that happens again and again. Okay? How? Things that are true and always going to happen. Sarah lives in Mumbai. I speak 3 languages. We go to school at 7 a.m. like this. This is a simple present tense. We use the simple past tense to talk about an action that is finished. Already that action was finished. So it is called a past tense. Many verbs also change their form when they used in the past tense. These are called irregular past tense verbs. Run, ran, think, thought, buy, bought. Okay? जो चेंज हो जाते हैं वो वाले. Now come to your revision exercise. Complete this paragraph with the correct form of the words in the bracket. I was surprised when I dash home yesterday. Which time is mentioned here? Yesterday. So come ka past tense came. There was a kitten waiting for me in a basket. He ran to me when he saw me. My parents had given me the kitten as a gift. They said, "You are a good girl, Dinah. We know you love cats, so we bought this kitten for you. We hope you like your gift. I do love my kitten. I call him a Billy." Okay, these you have to copy in your revision sheet. Now fill-ups are these. Fill in the blank. I dash to the park every day. Work is go and time is every day. It will not change because this action is going on again and again every day. Means go का past tense is went but present tense में नहीं रहेगा go. It rained heavily in the morning. Rained when it rained already morning. We saw some beautiful birds near the lake. Every month Raj spent all his money on fish. Every month means again and again this action is going on. The boys swim in the river on the all sunny days. They missed the bus again. They missed bus again here. Now today I am going to send you some past tense forms. So you have to read and learn. Read and learn this past tense for your knowledge. Come, take, work, buy, bought, think, thought, make, take, took, leave, left, watch, watched, see, saw, open, close, play, played, paid. Okay, paid spelling is P-A-I-D, not paid this one, P-A-I-D, paid. Okay, how you have to write? Paid, okay, this time, fried, roast, washed, sing, sang, cooked, baked, climbed, drank, drove, ride, rode, showed, said, changed, tell, told, speak, taught, cut, wear, wore, looked, tried, eat, was, lived, hold, held, sit, sat, stand, stood, filled, painted, laughed, eat, ate, prayed, free, text, tasted, started, finished, drew, grew, pushed, walked. Okay, I hope you all will learn this past tense verbs and I hope you all are preparing well for your examination. So, children, you have to be learn all chapters. I am telling to you you have to read all chapters from your textbook and prepare your grammar from textbook only. Okay? Stay safe and thank you.